Hello my dear crafters, I have a haul for you. I haven't done this in a while because I'm trying to not go crazy spending money with stuff that I already have. But today I woke up and I said, okay, this is it, I have to go. So let's start with Michael's, okay? Michael's, I got some paper, of course, but I found this beautiful stationery kit that I got for my goddaughter. Elena, she is going to love it. Look how cute that is. This is the kind of thing that's not very easy to find in Brazil. And I'm going to see her in July, so I'm bringing this for her. And paper, okay, so I got 2 paper pads. They were on sale, 50% off, so today's Saturday. So I really recommend that you go today because they're having sale. So one is $10, the second one is $5. So $15 for 2. That's a great deal because it's 48 pages. And you know the quality of Recollections. I love it. So let me walk through both of the pads. I needed some colorful things. I'm going to just get this sticker off of here so that I can show you and flip through. I usually do this before I film, but today I forgot. Anyway, so there you go. Look how gorgeous it is. And as usual, it has some foiling, which makes them very special. I just love the colors. Absolutely love it. So let's just flip through so you see, you know, how much we like to see the papers. I love that it has these, it's like these strips that you can cut, and it has some foiling too. It's gorgeous. Let me just zoom in a little bit. I think it'll be better for you to see. There you go. Some kind of solid. I love this pattern here, and I like the orange. This is what caught my attention. Guys, look at this. Look how gorgeous this paper is. And I know exactly what I'm going to use this with. I got a new die from Concord and 9th that will go perfectly with this. You will see soon a project, okay? Some green, and you know what I love about these paper pads is they do all the coordinating, the colors for you. So love that it has these beautiful cut aparts. It has, some of them have, they have sentiments, others are longer. Some are, look at this. These ones look like tags. So you have 3 of each. Oh, look at this. This is gorgeous too. Do you see the foiling? I just love paper with foiling. In Recollection usually, look at this, beautiful. Recollection usually does that. They always have foiling. I just cannot resist. Oh, look at this beautiful greenery. Isn't that gorgeous? It's great for fall, but it's great for any time really. I don't really follow the colors that much. So that's it. This one is called Terracota. So if you're interested, and you get 48 sheets. The next one I bought for summer because I really don't have bright colors like this. Let me zoom out a little bit. So this one is called Rainbow Wave, also by Recollections. So from Michael's again. Let me get this sticker off of here. Well, thankfully they come off very easily. So let me show you the colors. Also again, Recollections always has foiling. And I love that even the solid ones are not solid. You see, this is polka dots. But it's great to just, oh, look at the cut apart. Look at this beautiful rainbow here. These are great for my notebooks and my boxes. I will use that a lot. Again, 3 sheets of each. That's usually what they do. I love this one with the little suns. You see, those are suns. And, oh, the rainbow. Isn't that gorgeous? And what is shining here is a heart. So it's a little foiled heart. Again, you can, I don't know if you can see, let me go closer. It has the, it's like a watermark, let me go closer. Like a watermark of the rainbow. And look at this, look how beautiful. You can just cut it in pieces and make cards. I mean, this is a card in itself, right? Choose joy. How great is that? I love joy. Who doesn't? Look at these with some flowers here on the corners. They make beautiful embellishments, and I love this paper here because it has so many options of colors. It looks like watercolors. This one, oh, look at this. Totally summery, lots of just beautiful papers. Recollections, they always amaze me. Look at this. Look how beautiful this kind of mosaic and the colors they have. It's just amazing. Again, the strips, they always give you some strips which are great for cards and ephemera. And look at these flowers. Aren't they gorgeous? I went to Michael's and said, I'm not buying pads. I'm not buying pads. But then I did. See, this one has foiling too. It's just that because honestly, guys, I know we kind of lie to ourselves sometimes. Oh, I need this, I need that. I don't need it, but I do need something colorful, like summery colors. I have a lot of spring stuff, but nothing like this. Isn't this the most beautiful paper pad? To give you some examples on how to use it. It's called Rainbow Wave, okay? So go to Michael's, that's what you're gonna find there. So that is from Michael's. Now let me show you. So I went to a great store that I have here in Portland. It's called Craft Warehouse. But I got some stuff that you will find online, and I'll have the link for you because most of the stuff that I got are from Echo Park. So I'll have the link below to all this stuff, okay? So if you want, you can find it. So I got some paper pads. Love this one, and these were all on sale because these are more, they're spring, and we're kind of in Portland, we're in a summer vibe now, so they're already on sale. They were like 30% off, some of it 60% off, so I got it. So this one is Echo Park, and it's called It's Springtime, and I have one open because I got two, so let me flip through. They're double-sided, and that's something I love. So let me show you both sides here. Look at these flowers. Gorgeous. These are beehives. So you get I believe 2 of each. 24 double-sided paper. Yeah, and I believe that you get at least 2 of each because they repeat the patterns. Look at this, guys. How gorgeous is that? And the other side with these beautiful butterflies, but that's my favorite, I think. And they have some cut aparts too. So let me show you. Cut aparts again. Some flowers. Gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. And again, they do all the coordinating for you. More cut aparts. And I like this plaid. And I love this one. I think I'm gonna cut like individually and just make them like little tiny ephemeras. Aren't they very cute? I wouldn't use the paper. I would really cut and use individually as embellishment. So I think we're beginning again. No, we're not. Oh, yeah, we're beginning again. So this one is Echo Park. I'll have the link below. It's Springtime. So that's one. The other one, oh my God, this collection, guys, I went crazy. I wanted everything, but I know that I'm not gonna do a lot of bee related stuff, so I got some. But anyway, it's 6x6, 24, double-sided again, and it's Echo Park, and it's called Be Happy. But guys, let me flip through. Look at how beautiful this paper is. Look at that. Has all these beehive things, and I just had to get it because I have a die here, and let me go get it. That will go perfectly. I'm already trying using that, and I make a shaker. Look at how gorgeous this is. Isn't this perfect for this pad here? So don't worry, I'll have a tutorial using that on how to make a shaker with that. So look, some little hearts, beautiful cut aparts. That's the other side. I love this side here. I actually got the 12x12 too. This paper specifically, the beehives, and then it starts again. but it's absolutely beautiful. You can have an idea of what comes in it. And I got too, from the same collection, Be Happy, I got the sticker page. So it's one page. It's called Element Stickers. Let me see how many come in. I don't know. It doesn't really say. Doesn't say, but a lot. I mean, we have sentiments here. We have this beautiful scalloped, like a border, and all of these are beautiful stickers. So what I do is I usually just mount it on paper to make it a little bit thicker and give it some dimension, but you have like little tiny bees, big bees. I mean, look how gorgeous this paper, I mean, these stickers are. So it's Echo Park, and I will find this collection, the Be Happy collection, and I'll have the link below, okay? And I got 3 12 by 12 because I want to make bigger projects for you guys. So look at that. And they're all double-sided. So this, I was thinking that this for sure will be perfect with my, where is it? I lost the bee. The bee disappeared, guys. Where is my bee? I just showed you. How can that be? Well, if I find, so this, oh, there it is. So isn't this perfect? Look at that. Absolutely perfect. Also with this, that's another, let me show you another 12 by 12 that I got from the same collection. Look at this. And on the other side, it's plaid. Again, perfect with my bee. The black is perfect with my bee. And this I got, remember, you saw that in the 6 by 6. And then you have this. So basically it's the same patterns, but 12 by 12. So I'm going to just play around with this beautiful collection. Look at this. And this new die that I have. And this. It's going to be perfect. I'm going to have so much fun. Now I just want to stay home today and craft. So let me show you the rest of the collection here. This Echo, I already showed you this, but I forgot to show you the sticker page. Also, same thing, it's springtime, so this goes with this. It's another collection, but look at the stickers. It has some sentiments, celebrate today, and it has some beautiful, beautiful stickers that go with the paper. So I am using that. And I have another sticker paper here. This one is Easter. It was on sale because it's Easter, but you can still use most of it for spring and even summer, because there's so many, and I'll just keep the rest for next year, Easter projects. This is a great time to buy Easter stuff, guys. Just go out there and find it because they're all like 50% off. And I also have the Chipboard Accents, also by Echo Park. It's Easter time, so the same collection except that it's a chipboard. Look how beautiful they are. I love this. I love this rainbow. See? Bunny. Lots of bunnies. Beautiful, beautiful stickers and beautiful chipboard. So these goes together. And the animal dots. So I got the animal dots to go with that. So that's another beautiful collection, and I'll have the link below for you. So apart from that, I got some of these fake plants, and let me show you why I got it. Because remember this project that I'll have the link below on how to make these vases. So I want to make some I'm going to participate in like a fair. So I'm already preparing more, and I need more flowers to go with it. So that's what I bought. So I'm going to make a whole bunch in different colors. So I got this to go with it, and I think it's perfect. And the last thing is lots of adhesive. These were on sale. I got this for like $10. Like 6 of them for $10. A very good price. You know how tape runners are so expensive. So that's it for today. Oh no, I forgot the main thing. Not the main thing, but look at this. These were on sale for $2 at this same store. I'll see if I can find it online for you, but look, I had never seen this. So they sell it it's ready to just decorate. So you have this notebook. I'm going to decorate, use paper, use stickers and chipboard, and you can also do the same with the pen, because all you need to do is just glue the paper so it matches. How cool is that? And it was just $1.99. Isn't that perfect? So you have a cool notebook, and I'm also going to create a tutorial on how to make this way, because I have a lot of tutorials showing how to do notebooks with a pen, but this is a new way. So I am going to figure it out, okay? But I just thought it was genius. So I'm just going to use some paper and make it pretty. And I got 4 of them. I got the orange, the blue, $1.99, and orange and red. So I'll have some to play with, and I'll show you and I do it, okay? So that's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. I have the link to everything I find. Thank you so much. You have a great weekend and a great week. We're going to be so hot here in Portland next week. It's in the late, like early, I mean, no, not early, low 90s next week and this week too. So anyway, thank you so much. You guys have fun. Go to your craft room. It's the weekend. Let's go have some fun, okay? Bye-bye.